it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your bathroom this clean for under $5. So if you want to see what I used, keep watching. So I'm heading into my local dollar store. In this case, it's Dollar General. The first thing that I'm going to be picking up is some antibacterial spray. It is very, very important that it has antibacterial properties so that you can kill all of those germs that like to hang out and chill in your bathroom. This one is only $1. Next, I'm going to be picking up some powdered bleach. I love using this for my tub, my toilet bowl, and my sink. It strips away all the grime, and this one's $1 as well. Lastly, I'm going to be picking up a mirror cleaner. This brand is only $2 and it does the job just fine. Let's see that total, under $5. And I have receipts. Now watch me get my bathroom spick and span. If you want to see a detailed cleaning video, click the icon above. I've already done a detailed bathroom and room clean with me video. Alright guys, so that's how I clean my bathroom for under $5, and as you can see, I got it pretty clean like I use expensive products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment some of your favorite inexpensive cleaning products, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.